My name is Rick Miles. I'm a licensed listing coordinator here on the Greg Sisson team. My work usually details where I handle and manage the listings from the time that Greg gets them to the time they go active on the MLS. Some of my favorite things about being in the real estate business here on the Grand Strand and being on the Greg Sisson team is the ability that I'm allowed to negotiate a lot of the listings that we have, and to me that's a lot of fun. Some of my favorite things about living here on the Grand Strand are I enjoy running, fishing, and just hanging out with friends. In my spare time, I enjoy traveling, going around seeing some of the local football games, and then traveling out of state to see some of the larger college football games, and enjoying some minor league baseball visits here locally and away games. So I really enjoy that.